Hey there! Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating animated cartoon videos, just like the one you're watching right now.
OT, guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Hello, Bunny. I'd love to hear it. Jokes are the best way to brighten a sunny day even more.
These types of videos are perfect for kids because they're fun, educational, and super entertaining. Plus, tons of YouTubers use them to get millions of views and even earn money. The good news? You don't need advanced animation skills to create them. Using AI tools, you can generate scripts, voices, and characters in just a few easy steps. So let's get started! And here's how you can create your own animated cartoon video in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Create the story. First things first, you need a story. If you already have a script, you can skip this step, but if you don't worry. You can generate one quickly using a tool called Gravity Write. Here's how. Click the link in the description to access Gravity Write. Enter a topic or idea for your story. For example, a rabbit and a goat telling jokes. Choose the theme or tone of your story. Funny, educational, adventure, etc. Select the age group for your audience. This helps tailor the language and content. Enter how many characters you need. In our example, we have 2 characters, Bunny and Goatee. Gravity Write will even generate names for your characters. Finally, set how long you want the story or video to be and click Create Content. Gravity Write will generate a detailed, engaging script for you within seconds. It's perfect for keeping kids entertained and engaged. Once your script is ready, copy and paste it into Google Docs so you can easily refer to it throughout the rest of the process. Step 2. Generate voiceovers for your characters. Next, it's time to bring your characters to life by adding voices. We're going to use an AI tool called 11 Labs to generate voiceovers for all your characters. Here's what to do. Click the link to sign up for 11 Labs. It's free! Once you're logged in, choose the type of voice you want for each character. For instance, let's pick a fun, lighthearted voice for Bunny. Go back to your script in Google Docs. Copy Bunny's first line of dialogue and paste it into 11 Labs. Click Generate to create the voiceover. For example, Bunny might say,
Hi, Goatee. Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Once you're happy with the result, download the audio file. Repeat this process for all of Bunny's dialogues. Make sure to name each file properly to stay organized. After Bunny, it's time to create Goatee's voice. Follow the same steps, but choose a different voice that fits Goatee's character. Once you've generated the voiceovers for both characters, download all the files and label them clearly. Step 3. Create the cartoon characters. Now that we've got the voices, it's time to create the characters for the video. And guess what? No animation skills are needed. We'll use an AI tool to generate the characters automatically. Click the link in the description to access the character creation tool. You'll see a variety of pre-designed characters. Since Bunny is a rabbit, let's choose a rabbit character from the options. Change the background to a solid green. This will make it easier to remove the background later when we edit the video. Adjust the character's position and size to fit your scene. You can move it around, rotate it, or resize it to match your script. Now, let's add Bunny's voiceover. Upload Bunny's first dialogue file into the tool. The AI will automatically sync the character's animation with the voiceover. This includes simple movements like mouth movements, blinking, or small gestures. Once the animation is ready, preview it to make sure everything looks good.
Hi, Goatee. Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Then, download the video clip of Bunny's first dialogue. Repeat this process for all of Bunny's dialogues and then do the same for Goatee.
Hello, Bunny. I'd love to hear it. Jokes are the best way to brighten a sunny day even more.
Make sure to save each character's video file. Step 4. Create the animated background. With the characters and voices ready, let's move on to creating an animated background for your video. We'll use Canva to do this. Here's how to build your background. Head to Canva by clicking the link in the description. Start by selecting the size and duration of the background. For most cartoon videos, you'll want a landscape format, 16:9. Next, go to Elements and search for a background that fits your story. For example, if your script takes place in a garden, search for a garden scene. Choose a suitable image and set it as the background for your video. To make the background lively, add some animated elements like trees, flowers, or animals. Just search for these items in the Elements section and add them to your scene. If some of the elements are static, you can animate them yourself. Select the element, click Animate, and choose an effect. You can even customize the movement and adjust the speed. Once your background is ready, download it as a video file. If your story has multiple scenes, repeat the process for each scene to create different animated backgrounds. Step 5. Edit the final video. Now comes the fun part. Putting everything together. We'll use CapCut, an easy-to-use online video editing tool. Here's how to edit your animated cartoon video. Open CapCut and sign up for free. Upload all your character videos and the background videos you created earlier. Start by placing the first background video on the timeline. Then, drag and drop Bunny's first character video onto the timeline. To remove the green background, select Remove Background and use the color picker to remove the green screen. Adjust the intensity slider if needed. Position Bunny in the scene by by dragging the video clip into place. Now add Goatee's character. If Goatee isn't speaking in the scene, use the silent trick. Upload a blank audio file, linked in the description, to make Goatee look like he's listening and blinking without speaking. Continue to add all the character videos, matching them with their backgrounds and dialogues. Make sure to adjust their positions to fit the scene.
Hi, Goatee! Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Hello, Bunny. I'd love to hear it. Jokes are the best way to brighten a sunny day even more.
Okay, here it goes. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
I'm not sure, Bunny. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
To get to the other slide.
Bonus tips. Sound effects. Add sound effects like birds chirping or background noises to make the scene feel more natural. You can find sound effects in CapCut's audio section. Transitions. Use transition effects between scenes to make the video smoother. Go to the transition section, choose the effect you like, and drag it between clips. Subtitles. To add subtitles, go to Captions, click Auto Captions, and generate them automatically. Customize the font, style, and position to make them more engaging. Once everything looks great, export the final video in high resolution. Conclusion. And that's it! In just 5 steps, you've created a fully animated cartoon video using AI.
Hi, Goatee! Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Hello, Bunny. I'd love to hear it. Jokes are the best way to brighten a sunny day even more.
Okay, here it goes. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
I'm not sure, Bunny. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
To get to the other slide.
That was a good one, Bunny. Now it's my turn. Why did the turtle cross the road?
I don't know. Why?
To get to the Shell station.
Okay, one more. What do you get when you cross a snowman and a dog?
I can't wait to hear this one. What do you get, Bunny?
Frostbite.
You know, Bunny, spending time with you is always the highlight of my day. Your joy is as bright as this sunny garden.
And listening to your jokes makes every day an adventure, Goatee. We make a great team.
And so, Bunny and Turtle spent a wonderful day together, filled with laughter and joy. Remember, friends, laughter is a bridge between hearts, and a day spent laughing is a day well spent.
It's amazing how easy it is to create fun, engaging content without any animation skills. Now all you need to do is share your video online and start building your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy creating!